What's up, guys? It's a Grim 420 here, chilling as usual. So, hey, yeah, I'm just chilling here with my three tubes, the USA tube, and we got the Boom Felazi double footer King Crown perk uh, diffuser tubes. Bleh, can't speak today. Anyway, and I also got the double halo bubbler. I don't know exactly what you would call this, but it's a double halo perk tubes. That's beautiful. So yeah, and then in the corner over here, you see these three rifles. See these three beautiful babies. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna be showing you guys those beautiful babes in a little bit, one after another, after in between these tubes. So hey, you're gonna see some beautiful fucking glass, some beautiful fucking metal that shoots. So anyway, guys, let's fucking hit one of these bitches first. So what should I do? I have about 1.5 grams ground up and put in between these three. In between each three tubes, so it's about 0.5 in each bowl head. So let's fucking rip this fucking shit up, man. I'm going to rip the what you call it, 2 foot boom felazi, baby. Tubes. Here's one. Let's see. Slide it a little bit past that. Oh yeah. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah. That's the Boom Felazi King Crown perk. See the diffuser. There you go. So that's this beauty. It's about 2 foot. It's a little bit taller than my torso. She goes right to my nose, or my torso thing up. Anyway, if you put her at my cock, she's literally my torso's height. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Now, after smoking this beautiful pipe, the 2 foot Boom Felazi, my babe. Now, we're going to show you the newest the newest rifle I've gotten, and tell you a little bit about her from what I found out online and through who I bought it from and whatnot. So, this is going to be the newest rifle I just picked up yesterday. I've had some money down on her for a little while, but here you go. She's a beautiful, beautiful fucking Arisaka Type 38. So, it is, was used in the World War I, the Russian-Japanese War. It was used in the Japanese Revolution, you know, where they switched emperors, whatnot. It went to democracy or whatever the fuck they have now. This baby was used. This is the arisaka fit bayonet that the Japanese used. This baby was used in World War I and II. This specific one has been. I showed you this in a different video of mine, but I'll show it to you again. But here, I'll show you some beautiful little things about this specific arisaka. This tube over here, real quick. I want to smack it. Anyway, so this beautiful baby right here still has her dust cover, original dust cover too. Still shakes around a little bit. Everything is completely original on this bad boy. Fucking, it's beautiful. It's got, whoa. Anyway, if you can see that? I don't know. Anyway, where is it? Where's the mum? Can you see it? Yeah, right above those two dots. You see it? It's fucking obnoxiously hard to see here. Oh no, I can't. Well, I guess you can't see the fine little details, but it has the Japanese emperor's chrysanthemum or mum or whatever the fuck. It's right here, right above the two little dots, the air holes for the butt. And then under it, it says it type 38. Fucking under it. Man, can't see it. Wait. There you go. That says type 38. Then, see the mum. There it is. Aha. And there's the mum right above it, above the two dots. Still, the bolt still works, obviously. What's called the safety works on it, and on the back it also has the Emperor's emblem on the back of the can you see it? Right here. The back of the bolt has this beautiful carving in it. Most of the time they usually sand it down after the Emperor fell, and if this was taken into the United States, they would usually, if this was taken from war, they would usually carve that off, put marks in it, the ones that actually had them on. So, anyway, she's a beauty. Wish I had better lighting for her, but works fucking great. Haven't been able to fire her. She works on a 6.5 Japanese arisaka round, 6.5, so it's obnoxiously hard to find, and pretty much you have to make them. So this is going to be mostly a wall hanger out of everything else. But yeah, it's beautiful. Amazing. Got this rear sight, comes up like this. That's how you're supposed to look through it if you use these. If you use these sights, you're supposed to use it like this and fire. But yeah, this is the safety. Come on. Safety's kind of a bitch on this, but whatever. Yeah. So the bayonet goes right on top. It's a really tall fucking gun. Right in like that. It's beauty. So, This is the Japanese arisaka type 38. It's literally almost just as tall as me. It's got about 2-3 inches under, shorter than me with the bayonet. This bayonet's pretty fucking long compared to most World War II even style bayonets. Uses also be used as a short sword. That's a little rifle. Could also like move it up and put it down, which also changes the sight, but mostly just blocks this view, so it's always supposed to be down when it's at this site. You can also bring it up and use it at the same time, and always have this up and be able to shoot, and then be able to just change it whenever, and only when you carry it flip that down. But yeah, so this is a very nice, beautiful arisaka. Fucking it's a two-piece buttstock, which means it was made a lot earlier than most World War I rifles. This was probably made. It was originally manufactured, started being manufactured in 1905, apparently. So, I'm happy about it. So this thing, they believe it was made in 1920, maybe 1918. I'm not exactly sure, but I gotta figure. That's the one thing I do not know, is what date this was made, specifically what year. So, anyway, next, bong rip time. So here we go. Which one? Going to smoke the US tube. Oh yeah, shit. Just gonna show you the blade of the bayonet. This baby. Really old sheath. Pretty beat up, but extremely sharp blades still. See, the outer coating has been shaved off, which means it has been sharpened. The thing is, we're not sure when. I got this before this was shaved, but the other thing is that it could be from wear and tear from inside here, because it seems that this thing's gotten beat the fuck up, and it kind of looks a little crushed. And when you slide this in, it's not really that smooth, so kind of gets stuck every once in a while. So it could be because of the sheath that this has gotten this worn out edge here, but who knows? It's pretty dull near this point right here specifically, like really dull. Then once it gets towards the tip, like right here, sharpens right up. So like from here to here is pretty fucking sharp. This part is dull. Wonder if that's how it came. Probably not. Anyway, this is the arisaka bayonet. And bong rip time. Yeah. Oh yeah. Really do like this tube a lot. This tube actually came with these green, like, balls, like gooey balls. I don't know what the fuck to call them or how to describe them. Besides, they're squishy, they break apart, and they're in the bottom of my tube, and they smell weird. Uh, they're supposedly they are supposed to be diffuser beads, except they're not glass. So I didn't trust it. So I decided to go out, and I found I actually had glass balls in one of my mom's like fake flower pots or whatever. So I just took a bunch of them and I cleaned them off and threw them in here in place of those green squishy ball things that they were a bitch and they fucking sucked. Tasted weird, made the weed tasted weird. I hit it like maybe once or twice in it, didn't trust it at all, made it, I don't know. So I threw that shit out. Anyway, so now I have the glass beads. I'm pretty sure I've showed you them millions of times. Same down stem, same bowl. And yeah, let's hit this bitch again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Well, that's that for this guy. All we have is the other Boon Felazi, fucking Halo tubes. Forgot I was gonna smoke that. But anyway. Let's see, next we go with the my first buy, which was this baby. She's an Enfield. Beautiful fucking gun. Beautiful. From what was it, 1914? This was started being made. I think this one was made in 1917. This one specifically. What you call? Well, I've showed you this gun a few times on my videos, so there's more information like that. I'm a little stoned. Oh no! So I'm kind of forgetting like little stupid shit. But anyway, so this is the bayonet for the Enfield. Beautiful. It's Wilson from World War I. Wilson or something. Beautiful fucking point. Some oil in there. Still sharp as all hell. I could probably probably shank through somebody with this pretty fucking easily. Yeah, she's a beauty. Don't really know too much about this bayonet besides it was used in World War One. Fucking sees a few use marks. Pretty beautiful. Anyway. Right on, man. It's a beautiful World War One gun. She so this baby carries a .303 British round. The Arisaka uses a 6.5 Arisaka round, and the fucking next one I'm gonna show you is a 8 Mauser, .8 Mauser, or 8mm Mauser. Hey. Beautiful girl. This baby has a 10 magazine clip. It's right here. This is one of the only original fucking guns that actually had a magazine, and the thing is, it was also a top loader. It's the only way that you could load it, but they said was actually easier to just fucking top load this gun. Straight in. It takes 2.5 clips, so you put one in, throw another one in. You got 10 shots instead of 5, the normal 5 or 6 at most. Most had. Yeah, this baby. She's a beauty. All match numbers, even the bolt. Just cut it right now. I got a fucking decon. There's a couple of different things about this gun that made it very unique, especially in World War One. A few of those things were the sight, how easy it was to manipulate the sight. It also, how you, the different way you take out the clips, and the safety mechanisms. There are many different things about this gun. Made it very unique. So, as I said, it's a British Lee Enfield. This one has been through World War One and Two, probably. Maybe not World War Two, but this has been fixed a few times. It's got a bunch of different pieces keeping this one frame together. It actually kind of looks like this was homemade. Or fixed. Who knows? It's very interesting. This rifle just looks, I don't know, I love this thing. She is a beauty. I love this action. I'm in a very small room. I don't want to puncture a hole with the fucking bayonet. To puncture a hole in the ceiling would be ridiculous. I'm gonna keep this baby off. These fuckers are long as hell. Show you those in a minute. Yeah. This baby had a pretty easy sight to use. Went up to 200 meters. thing. It's like pretty much shooting a freaking, like lobbing this thing. Anyway. It's very interesting gun. It's definitely not original, I'm pretty sure. Now, we got the now we got this baby. Now this girl's the Boom Felazi Halo perc, double Halo perc. I showed it to you a little bit earlier, but hey, this is what I'm gonna rip back. Tear the shit out of this fuck. Can't see the percolation. Looks better. So smooth. Very nice piece. Clean the section. If you want to see. God damn it. Yep, so there. Last but not least is this apparently a Chinese made Mauser copy. Did some research on it, it was interesting. Fucking right now, off the top of my head, nothing else is really coming to me besides that. It's a fucking technically a K98 Mauser ripoff. As the Mauser bolt. Mauser bolt action. Very smooth. No stopping regardless. And at the top. Unlike the other two rifles that when it's fully open, sometimes they get caught on the magazine, the internal magazine popping up, gets caught on there, so you know that you're out of rounds. So, but it's annoying when you're not trying to, you don't give a shit, you know. So anyway, this has the same type of sights as most of the others, except they have this curve. So all you have to do is slide it up, except with both fingers. Yeah. The only problem with this right now is that the safety is jammed or something, but it's not working regardless. You can still shoot the gun, so it's not that big of a deal right now. I don't mind. I don't have any rounds for it. They're extremely expensive. They're double everything else that I've found, so I'm just saving the bullets, and I'm gonna probably try to make my own so I can go just shooting at the range, so I don't have to pay a shit ton for bullets and shit. So anyway, you can see here, it said online that it was like a Dunhee symbol. That's what it said here, and like hang or something, Dunhee hang. I have no idea. I can't speak Japanese or anything. And then it has these two symbols back here. This one, I believe, is the Emperor's thing, and this is, I don't fucking remember. I had, right when I found it out, I made a video of it. It's gonna tell you specifically more about it. I have it saved on the computer, but I'm not gonna run through all that for this video right now. So, anyway. Yes, this thing's really been torn up, but she's looking decent. Not crazy. But she shoots really well, I must say. This one has been the smoothest, and like just the cocking mechanism, like everything about it is just pretty decent. I could sit here just like this and shoot targets all day. Like when I shoot, this thing does fucking bounce back if I don't fucking hold on to it, but still, it's pretty decent. So this is the Chinese Mauser. She shoots a 8mm. It's the last one. So right now my whole collection consists of Lee Enfield Wilson bayonet from World War One vintage. This one also Lee Enfield from 1917. And this one, that was the Chinese Mauser. And this is the Arisaka Type 38 from World War One into World War Two. I'm not sure exactly what year that one is, but she looks like pretty fucking old. Anyway, so she shoots the 6.5 arisaka round. Yep. Anyway, so that's the babies. Peace.